Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a cloth. I have here a torn skirt. As you can see, right, where is it? As you can see, it's torn from this area up to this. This will be a long stitching like that. So of all the cloths that need repair, I chose this one because it's one of my favorite skirts that I usually wear. It's just unfortunate that it was torn during one of our mountain getaways. Just a short story. My church mates and I decided to have a refreshment or bonding moment, so they say, in a river just near a mountain slope in our barangay. I decided to wear this long skirt when hiking the mountain for there are a lot of thorny and itchy bushes on the way. Now, there's a cliff just beside the river where we are swimming. Someone could jump from the cliff and fall directly into the 12 feet depth water. I wasn't pleased to try that game and so I climbed up the cliff and then jumped down, falling into the river. After my epic jumping, for me my skirt is already torn. So now I'll be showing you how I repair this torn skirt. I have here my materials. I have threads. I have three different colors of threads here, but in my case I'll be using the black one, this black one, to match my skirt. I have here safety pins, scissors, and the needle. Right, so let's start. So I'll turn this skirt inside out like this. Right. Then I'll pin the seams in place using the safety scissors.
I'll make sure that when pinning the seams, there will be no gap nor loopholes in the fabric. I'll be using the back stitching method to repair this skirt since there is no fabric that has been lost, there is no hole, it's simply just ripped. Therefore, after stitching the edges of the fabric, it will fit together.
Here is the cut thread, right? Visible, right? So I'll be tying a knot on one end and threading the needle. Right. So here is my thread and needle. So I'm so excited to see how the outcome after sewing the torn seams will be. So I'm gonna show you. This is the inside look of the skirt. Alright, I'm going to flip it to see from the outside. Ta-da! Alright, where is it? Where is it? Ah, here. Now, this is what it looks like after oh, after sewing it for how many minutes? That's all. Thank you for watching and have a nice sewing ahead.